So, right here at work, I gotta go through these obstacles courses because they're working on something over here. So I gotta go through obstacle courses. Welcome to the Dishwashing Olympics. I'm making the best out of this because you gotta have fun with it. So this is my daily routine as a dishwasher. I gotta take out the trash. So I normally go out that way to do it. You know, go out that way, all the way down that way and turn. But since we got the construction going on, what I do is I'll go this way. I don't normally take the trash out with one hand. You guys can see the journey I go through too of doing this. But this is my normal. This isn't my normal routine. Because you know, I got to take out the trash. But this is the way I have to take it out because right now they got the construction, not construction, but they have stuff going on. So why I call this segment the Dishwashing Olympics. See how this is, and I gotta deal with these rough edges. So I gotta go through these things right here. This is obstacle course 1 right here. Of course the guys are really nice and letting me, since I know I'm taking out trash and everything, they let me go underneath these things. That guy right there is awesome as hell. Yeah. This is phase 1. See, it says do not cross. But since this guy, you see there's a class act right here. Gotta do this. Phase 1. Oh, okay, yeah, I didn't realize that. Okay, yeah, that'd be easier for me. Okay, thank you. This guy's a class act right here, for sure. But this is phase 1 right here. Phase 1 of the Olympics. So yeah, I'll just do it that way then. Go that way. Thank you, Gary.
You bet.
If you cross this without him knowing, he will kick your butt. I'm just kidding. Here's number 2. Obstacle course number 2. Here we have, like I said, I normally go over this way and do it, but since they're doing their job, this is what I gotta do. I gotta go. See, I got some like here. You see there. So this is my Olympics ways of doing it. Normally, like I said, I go that way. See, it's crossed off. So they're doing work right here. See, normally, like I said, normally go that way, but they're taping that off. Trying to do their job. And then my final destination for Dishwashing Olympics, as you see, I gotta go that way. Hopefully I don't get in trouble by just having fun and such humor. And then our trash is right here. So you see my journey I go through. It takes me 4 minutes to go through it.